Hey, what's up? How's it going? This is a follow-up on the other video I made on the euro dollar, and I guess I'll be mainly focusing on the euro dollar and gold so that it's easier to track what's going on. So in the previous video on the gaps, there's a video on gaps and trading gaps that I was speaking on of how this price is going to come back to this level just because there's an open gap. So it came back yesterday, and then when it came yesterday, when the price was at this level, I did make another video. This is the follow-up of that video where I say that the price is going to come back exactly to this level and then bounce back up to the 1.1 level. So on all two counts, I was exactly correct, which is cool. I like it. But now we're at 1.1, all right? And then we've had this extended long trend. And from this level, if you haven't already been on the trade or whatever, then this is what I'm now looking at. So the price is here. Let me go on a 15-minute chart. So the price is here, all right? So yesterday it was here, now it went back to the level that we were talking about, bounced back up, bounced from here, it bounced about 80 pips, and now it's at 1.1. So I guess we'll see another tap here and we'll see how this goes. So this is just an update on what's going on this chart. So we might see this turn into a deep rejection and price go back down here to these levels or even lower before it goes higher, or we could just see a break in the level, or we can just see a bounce at this level here at 200, which is a big possibility if it goes beyond 1.1. But at the moment, this is a good area to just take your profits and kick back and look at the next entry. But then again, I'm going to be re-updating that. So what I'm looking at right here is an area where there's a double top. So the price might actually spike to this level or break this level. I don't know, because this candle is still looking very, 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 very bullish. But we're still 2 hours and 18 minutes in to the 4-hour candle. So we'll see how this hour closes, how the next hour closes, and the third hour closes. So this is going to tell us exactly what's going on. So for now, we are seeing that the price did bounce here. It made it to a high of 1.099.83, but I want it to really come to 1.1. It has to touch this, and when it touches this, I want to see what it does when it does touch it. And for more information, just look into the courses, the free courses that I have on trading, on candlesticks. They're free videos of how you get into that. If you want more information, you can get my book and my programs, my courses that are now paid for you to get more. But I would really like you to first look at the free courses, see if my trading style resonates with you in any way, and from there you can see if you can get the paid course, because this is basically what's there but in a different way. There's certain other things that I can't really share right now, but then that are obvious when you do go through the paid course. But for the most part, everything that I've been going over from this level here, you could have entered the trade based on your own understanding and being 200 pips in profit. So this is a possibility for you if that's what you want. But you can also check out the other stuff. Like in 2018, I was able to understand that the market was going to crash, and that's what happened on Christmas. It crashed, and I have a video on the S&P and how it crashed and why it was going to crash, and then it crashed, and then I made another video after that. So it's basically the same thing. that not actually the same thing, because this trade is based on another factor, but it's basically the same thing in the sense that I was able to tell what was going to happen in the future, and I'm no like fortune teller or anything. In fact, I am, I guess. Yeah. But then the point is, it is something that is possible. When I first started trading, it's not like I grew up like I got on my mother's gut and said, hey, where the chart at? Everything that I learned in terms of trading was something that I acquired over time. And one thing that I do realize is that you are also able to acquire this information over time. So from yesterday's video, I did say that the price is going to come here and bounce exactly here, and this is what it did. So an entry of the price would have been at a sneaky level like around midnight, which is where it started moving up. But then from there you were able to make about 50 pips. No, not 50, my bad, 80 pips. So again, let's make the calculation. Let's just say that every pip is worth, what's a random number? Let's just say every pip is worth $3.50, right? And you made 80 pips. So this would be 280, random number. So this move might be worth 280 to you, might be worth 2,800 to you, or whatever. So it just depends with how you evaluate your time. So again, this is something that's interesting. This is something I'm still looking at and I'm still looking into, and I'm gonna be updating this, and we're just gonna be trading the euro and perhaps gold together. I want to see what happens at this level, the 1.1 level, but I'm also curious to see if price will reach 1.1.8, not 8, which is 1.2, and then maybe it will bounce at that level because of the price action that is showing me. So we'll see. But as for now, this is a good time to just move your stops, take your profits, and etc. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.